Hello, Namaste. I would like today to speak about importance of emotions and how emotions are connecting us to our soul. To put it very simply, I like to use this triangle. I saw it first at Matthias De Stefano. He was sharing about his understanding of the connection between these three different things, and I thought it was just brilliant. I've been using it since, and I think whenever I explain it this way, it makes lots of sense and women really get it. So I wanna make it simple and short. Let's start. So matter, we all know what matter is, the physical world and everything physical which can be seen and touched and smelled and so on. So we use senses to get the idea of our physical world. Then there is also energy. Matter and energy are actually just two sides of the same coin. It's now scientifically proven. Finally, we know that whatever, was known for thousands of years is now proven by quantum physics. And we know that any matter is made of energy. Everything is energy. Energy doesn't go anywhere. It's not disappearing. It's not appearing. It's always here and it's constant. The only constant thing is the change of energy. And there's the third level, which is vibrational level. So vibration is even more refined, if we put it this way, and whatever, again, is existing in our 3D reality, it all has a certain vibration. And if we put it simply into our human body existence, we are speaking of matter in the terms of body. Our body is matter, mother, right? That's where divine feminine is all about body and embodiment rather than transcendence and leaving the body and going out of the body. And level of energy is actually our soul. And level of vibration is spirit. And we can speak about it as three layers of our body: physical body, emotional body, and mental body. So as you see, emotions are here as connection between matter and vibration, between body and spirit, between our physicality and our mentality. So emotions are, to put it simply, it's just the voice of your soul. Your soul is giving you a particular emotion so you can understand that you are doing something that serves your spirit, or you're doing something that doesn't serve your spirit. And those challenging or so-called negative emotions, dense emotions, are often just showing us that we are not tuned to our spirit. So you can also think about your body as kind of hardware, your soul as a software, and we want to stay tuned, like this is hi-fi. Spirit is the hi-fi that we want to stay tuned to. So whenever we are experiencing an emotion, whether it's a challenging one or a beautiful one, it's good to remind ourselves that that's how my soul speaks to me. And we need to learn to decode our emotions, because behind every emotion there is lots of energy that is given to us in order for us to do what we are here to do. Our spirit incarnated into this body for a very good reason. Hopefully we all know why we are here. And if not, again, just listening to your emotions could be very, very helpful, because that's how your spirit communicates to you living in this body. Okay, I'm just going to keep it short and sweet today. I hope that it's helpful. If you have any questions, let me know, or if you would like to hear more about how you can listen to your emotions, any questions are welcome. I hope you are enjoying your moon day, Monday, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you and speaking to you soon again. Bye-bye.